coming from. Because I'm in the dark right now. We're to my east. Well, right now I've got no clue which way is my east or north. Oh god, I'm a terrible street right now. That wouldn't be it, would it? Or is it the direction I'm heading in right now? I've got no clue. Oh, I think I found it. I have no clue. Where is this thing? Guys, I've got no clue which way I'm heading, but if you guys can look on a map, you'll see a subway. I'm facing the subway. I'm pointing the camera in that direction because I think that is it. I think this is actually my east then. Everything is eerily quiet. That is a tornado? Alright. Alright, well I still see a few cars and trucks. I really hate to say this, but I think I just traveled on that road. I followed them for a while. I feel like someone actually has passed. Just saying. Yeah. Alright, it is now forming. It looks kind of like a rain shaft, but it is not. Right there. You okay?
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.
Come here. Come here. Do you live in the area?
Used to.
Used to?
Pat's husband was my cousin.
Mm-hmm.
Sure. Now, are you related?
I am not. I'm a storm chaser. I do this type of thing, but this is pretty devastating.
Yeah.
I was right across the way at the gas station when this happened and hit. So when this happened, I was right there. So.
Wow. You firsthand?
Yeah. So was she though.
Oh, yeah. Well, it was on Facebook that Pat Harvey's house, but nothing was confirmed.
Yep.
And I got the neighbor boy to ride with me. My husband's disabled.
Yep.
And I've just got to go see about Pat.
Yep. She's okay. Don't be nervous to talk to her. I just.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. You guys okay?
Yeah.
Was this your house? No.
This is my grandma's.
Your grandmother's house? Was she in the house when it happened?
Yeah, we all were.
You all were?
Yeah. It was me, him, my grandma, my mom, my stepdad, and my brother.
What was that like for you?
It's really scary.
Really scary?
Yeah. The power went out, and like we were just like we need to get in the basement. And as soon as I shut the door, like my ears started like popping, and everyone's ears started popping, and there was so much pressure. And
So the windows blew in?
oh yeah. We got down there just in time.
So there's a basement that you got down to?
Yeah.
Yep.
It's a good thing she has because it's bad.
Yep. Their cars destroyed, their homes destroyed. They don't even have a roof. I mean, wires and branches, that's basically what you're gonna find today. But just huge, big piles of debris everywhere. Hi.
With insurance, or
What was that?
are you with the insurance?
No, but this can help.
Okay. Are you news or something? Is that
I have my own business. It's called T Storms. So weather related, everything like that.
We're hoping for insurance adjuster to get here.
I'm pretty sure that's, you guys are gonna get something out of that. I hope. Were you guys in the home when it happened? She was?
That wouldn't hurt, was she?
Oh goodness. Oh, what a good reunion. I'm just gonna give you another angle of this tree here. You got metal wrapped all around this thing. I'm not gonna go in the house, I'm not gonna read this. This is so emotional, I can't understand what they're going through. But I can only imagine it's not good. That tree had its years. Up there. Look at this. Can you imagine standing in the front door and then boom, blood goes in. Guys, I'm gonna put the camera down. Tearing up here on this one. I'm gonna go help out. So, I'm gonna clean up with them. Alright. I'll see you guys later and I'll report later. Most of the survivors were worried about whether or not the insurance company would show up and how long it would be until they could move into their homes or start rebuilding their lives. Christmas ornaments, photographs, memories, swept away in one simple tornado. We think because we've seen it on the news so many times. Maybe we study it. Maybe we've seen the ways nature can destroy and yet give so much beauty. The most beautiful thing I saw today, on this day, was how a community came together instead of working against each other, no matter the political background and the views. You may think I'm just a storm chaser. Some say I'm crazy. Sometimes I think I'm crazy. What I'm most certainly crazy about is helping people. It's not about chasing the big storm or getting the money shot. That's never been me. I just want to be out there and help. If there's any way that you can think to help, please reach out. Grab a shovel. Grab your family. Bring together a community.